Well, we begin with all news tonight here at 10 o'clock. Concerns over what many people are calling the potential for something called a twin-demic. Thanks for joining us here. I'm Ben Goldman.
And I'm Jen Bernstein. As we continue the fight against COVID-19, there is another fight on the horizon. Flu season is fast approaching, and health experts are warning it could hit people hard this year.
Fox 61's Alicia Machado joining us live in Hartford tonight with more from doctors about what you should prepare for as we head into the fall and winter months. Alicia.
Well, doctors I spoke with say last flu season was mild. People were limiting social gatherings and wearing masks. But as COVID-19 cases continue to drop and protocols scale back, there's concern more people will catch the flu. Connecticut doctors sending out a message to prepare for flu season this winter.
There is no doubt that the flu season this year will be worse than last year. But that's because last year was so good. There were very little cases.
Hartford HealthCare Chief Epidemiologist Ulysses Wu anticipates flu cases will have a similar timeline as previous years, sporadic through October. Then more cases will show up in November and December and peak in February. But he expects the flu could affect more people this year than last year. The two main reasons, flu shot hesitancy and people not wearing masks as much.
The mandates last year required masking for most of the year. And this year, there are some masking mandates, but for the most part, there's not mandated masking. And so because of that, this is a respiratory transmitted disease. And by science alone, when you take away a barrier, you're going to have more you're going to have more cases of influenza.
As healthcare providers keep an eye on both viruses, there are some steps you can take to stay safe this flu season.
Vaccination is still the primary way to prevent that. And, I'd encourage anyone, including kids, to go out and get that flu shot this year. That's, one really important step for prevention.
And when in doubt, wear a mask.
The masks provide that higher level of protection. So, in crowded indoor environments, that can be helpful as well.
Something doctors we spoke with are recommending for holiday gatherings this year, along with getting vaccinated and having outdoor get-togethers. If you have flu-like symptoms, Dr. Wu recommends getting tested for both viruses. Now, coming up on Fox 61 News at 11, I'll tell you what precautions parents and children can take to stay safe this Halloween. In Hartford, Alicia Machado, Fox 61 News.